Hello, my loves. Right, I am going to show you the coolest way to make a glacier nail with gel polish. It's just nuts. So this is what I created. I'm going to talk you through how I did it. Now, I'm using a tip, but you will have to imagine that this is your client's extension or whatever you've done. So you've built the nail that you need, either their natural nail or their extension. And normally you would sort of get an e-file with a sanding band and do the underneath of the nail. But I'm being awkward, so I've tried to fit a buffer underneath them. And you could do it this way, but it's only because this is a tip and it's just easier for me to do it like this. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to apply gel polish, so I need to rough up the surface because these plastic tips are very, very smooth and the gel polish will cure and then just sort of slide away. Like a glacier travelling in the water. So I'm just going to use my nail stand and I'm going to put the tip upside down as if I've got my client to turn their hands over. So this is my client's fingernail turned over. All you need is a little bit of cling film, plastic wrap. And I'm just taking some gel polish base coat from Madam Glam. You can use any base coat. And I'm going to pop it in here, let it pool a little bit and just drag it down. Now it's a base coat. You don't need an awful lot of this. Sorry, that's the kitten. You don't need an awful lot of this because it will sort of pool everywhere and come out the sides. So just use a little bit. Pop your plastic wrap over the top, or cling film, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just using the moving, nudging, pokey bit of my Pro Pickup tool. And I'm making crinkles. Now, when you make the crinkles, sometimes it will splurge out the side a bit. Don't worry, we'll deal with that in a minute. But if you try and edge it inwards, it makes it a little bit easier. So just nudge it inwards, crinkle up that plastic wrap, and then pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds for this gel, or for whatever time your gel recommends, and then just take it off, and the wrap sort of takes away the sticky layer with it, which is great. And then we're going to do the same again, just further up the nail. I didn't do it in one big go because I'm dealing with gel polish and not a hard gel that stays where it's put. Gel polish moves a lot. Again, you don't need loads of it. You just want to kind of put enough on there so that you can nudge it to create the ridges. So it's the same principle as using a hard gel, kind of. Whereas a hard gel, you can just like whack it on there, either underneath the nail or on top of the nail. This time you have to be a bit different. And again, we're going to get the plastic wrap on there. And then just use the pokey part of the tool to nudge it into place and create those little peaks and troughs that give the glacier effect. And then once I'm happy with that, that'll go in the lamp for 30 seconds. Just nudging it all about. There we go. And we'll take that off. And there you have your cutesy little glacier nail underneath. Oh, there's a couple of bits that where it's kind of come out the side. So I'll show you how we deal with those, because obviously they're annoying. So just grab a file and file those off. Easy peasy. Sorry, that's Milo scrapping about. Honestly, it's like a farmyard here today. Right, so now what we're going to do is take Champagne from Nailmate, which is a gel polish. It's beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh. And we're also going to take Strawberry Glow from Nailmate, which is just, oh man. We're going to mix these two. I know it sounds mad, but we're going to mix these two. So first of all, I'm just going to use Champagne around the areas that I need it, and I'm going to drag it down in a kind of swoosh. So it's really simple, down in a swoosh. Don't need to put loads on, it's super pigmented, super glistening and beautiful. And then wait, don't let that cure yet. So while it's still wet, I'm going to grab the Strawberry Glow and my detailer brush. It's actually my crystal sealer brush, but I've nicked it for detailing. And I'm going to get a blob on the end, and I'm going to just run that through the champagne gel polish. And I'll do that in a few areas, and what it does is it sort of creates this iridescent glow, which just makes my heart really, really happy.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running.
Now, once I'm sure that I've done enough of the Strawberry Glow running through just to give it that beautiful sheen, I'll cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds.
'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year is...
Okay, and this is what we're left with. And then I am going to quickly pop some matte top coat on top of this area, just the area where the gel polish is. I'm so sorry, the kitten's going mad right now. I might have to switch to kitten cam at this rate because she is on one like a crazy lunatic. So just matte top coat on that top area, whack it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and now I'm using my crystal mix. This is my own mix, no one else has this. This is the Winter Sparkle Swarovski mix. It's available on my website. The link is in the description, but they are limited editions, so when they're gone, they're gone. I'm also using my Pro Pickup tool. Now this is new and it's not on the website yet. They're ready to go, but my packaging hasn't arrived, so I can't ship them safely. And until I know that they're not going to get dented and bashed in transit, I'm not prepared to put them on the website for sale, obviously. So I'm just keeping hold of them and I'm loving them for you until you can love them yourselves. So I'm going to go in with a selection of crystals from my Winter Sparkle mix, and we're going to create sort of like a cluster swoosh going across the nail. I'll let you watch this because, you know, you can create any combination of crystal designs you want with this set. So, yeah, I'll just let you watch this bit.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do. Spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Christmas memories.
I'm in love with these crystals, man. They're so pretty and sparkly. There we go. Oh my goodness, it's mayhem in here. I can't just hear myself think. Look how sparkly they are. Oh, right, now time to seal them all in and top coat the nail and just reveal the sparkly beauty and this cool gel polish glacier. Who'd have thought it, eh? You know, you don't need all these fancy things, just a bit of gel polish and a bit of cling film from your kitchen cupboard. Easy peasy, anyone can do it. Wait for it. Now we reveal the glacier. Look at that. How cool is that? I absolutely love it. I would have had this on all my nails and done it on myself, but I don't have the time. I'm too busy packing your parcels of crystals. Thank you so much for the support. Again, links in the website, but they're limited edition, so please get in there quick. Thank you for watching this. If you've got any design requests, give me a shout and keep your eyes peeled for more courses and a crystal course that's coming up in the next couple of days. I'll see you soon. Tally bye!